Hi. Now we are going to discuss about relations and functions. What is a relation? A relation is a subset of cross product of sets. Let us take an example. Set A is 1, 2, 3 and set B is PQ. Therefore, the cross product of set A and B is set of ordered pair 1P, 1Q, 2P, 2Q, 3P and 3Q. So as per the definition of relation, subset of cross product of sets. So we can take any subset of A cross B. So let us take 1P. 1 is related to P. And 1 is related to Q also. So we can establish the relation between the other ordered pairs also. 2 is related to P, 2 is related to Q, 3 is related to P, 3 is related to Q also. The same we can represent in the Venn diagram also. Let us see how to represent in the Venn diagram. So let us take set A is 1, 2, 3 and set B consists of PQ. Now 1 is associated with P, 2 and 3 is also associated with P. Similarly, 1 is associated with Q and 2, 3 also associated with Q. Then we'll say that the relation is defined from A to B is denoted by a relation from A to B. In this, set A is called domain and set B is called codomain, right? So here P is called image of 1, 2 and 3 also. Q is also called image of 1, 2 and 3. The set of images of elements of A is called range of the relation. So in this case, domain and range are same. Now types of relations. So the first one is empty relation or null relation. So if no element of A is related to any element of A, then the relation is called empty relation. It is denoted by R equal to 5 subset of A cross A. The second one is universal relation. If each element of A is related to every element of A, then it is called universal relation. It is denoted by R equal to A cross A. So sometimes these two relations, empty relation and universal relation, also called trivial relations. The next one, a relation R in set A is called reflexive if A related to A for every A belongs to A. And the next one is symmetric. If A related to B implies B related to A for all AB belongs to A. The third one is transitive. If A related to B and B related to C implies A related to C for all ABC belongs to R. So ABC belongs to A, set A. The next one is equivalence relation. A relation is said to be equivalence relation if it is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive.